Hey. Hi. Hi. How are you guys? Bree, smile. Huh? You were just smiling a second ago. There we go. Smile. There we go. Smile. Day 6 today. How are you feeling? You're almost a week old. Today's the 11th, August 11th of 2010. And today you were supposed to be born. Huh? I'm glad you're here now, though. I'm glad you didn't wait that long. I'm glad you came 6 days before. Come on, smile for the camera. Okay, I love you. Bye.